unmuting
Yes.
yourself, or you can
Yes.
also put
Yeah,
it
yeah.
on the chat.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
This is for your information. I also use OBL Lakshya daily. Just a minute. Let me.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in.
Okay, I'll exit from my mobile. So I'm going to log in now. So this is my mobile screen where I am going to log in. So
It's
first
not
of all,
visible.
because is my screen is viewable or not?
So it is coming as a black,
No,
nothing.
JT, it's not visible.
One minute, sir.
Yes, now we can see.
Now we can see.
Now visual, sir.
I'm in the login screen. Is the screen is same?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please.
It's same, sir.
Okay. Okay. Please, everyone, ensure that the Android mobile app version is 1.0.7. Please see this here, the version 1.0.7. If anybody is using older version, please uninstall your app and install it from the Play Store. That's the first step which you have to. And I'm going to log in using my personal ID, where there are some of the branch head, some of the FLS, and journal head is mapped under my login credentials. So I'm going to sign in now. While sign in, please ensure you have proper internet. What I mean to say, if I don't have internet, if I have not switched on my mobile network, mobile internet, if I didn't switch on my Wi-Fi, then it will keep searching the location, because while login, while log out, while doing check in and check out, the internet is must. So currently I am sitting in so and so location, my Riga, where it is asking my confirmation to login. So when I click confirm, it will capture my login time. What I mean to say, the attendance start time, and it started my. This is the screen where my screen is showing. The first one is related to visits which I have scheduled for the day. I have scheduled 4 visits, and I don't have any project which is mapped under me. I don't have any, I have only 3 dealers which is mapped with me. I have only one architect which is mapped, and 2 departments which is mapped. First thing which I am going to see, what I have visited, visits which I create. So I click here in the visits first of all. When I click visits, it will be clearly give the statement how many I have scheduled, how many I have completed, how many I have rescheduled. Further, if I want to know dealer, project, architect, and department separately, I can click here in the dealer. So it will say I have only one dealer visit I have scheduled. Another, when I click project, it is also showing only one project visit which I scheduled. The third one, which architect also, I have scheduled one. Department. When I click department, I have one. So what it means, I have scheduled each one schedule for the day. So like this, you can also see your team members visits at any time. What I mean to say, you go to the right side, the 3 dots where you can click. Here, go to user, where you will be seeing your team member's name. So here, if whatever the team member you would like to click, you can click and you can see. I'll take anyone, any name, which to whom I want to say. When I click the particular person, so he has a 0 visits. and 120 projects, 35 dealers, 44 architects, and 10 departments which is mapped under him. But see here, it's time 9:50, but he has 0 visits scheduled for the day. So like that, you can see any user schedule for the day, and you can ask him, hey man, it's time is 10 o'clock and still you don't have any visit schedule for the day. What kind of working you are going to do? If I select all, I'll get entire my teammates visits schedule for the day. See here, I have scheduled 2 or 3 territory, all 4 territory, I think, all 4 territory together, only 26 visits scheduled, including myself, which is 4. See, if I want to see further visits, when you click on the visits, you will get the, see here, there are out of 17, 9 are they have rescheduled. So when you click this reschedule 9, you will get to know like how many are. It will take you to the calendar on 18th. Here, when you click dealer project separately, it will show. So when I click here in the all, you will get to know. So when I click in the calendar 18 dealer, by default it will show my visits. If you want to see particular employee like this also, you can see on the right side top, you can select any employee, particular employee you want to see, or you can also select all and you can see how many visits scheduled for dealer wise, how many dealers the schedule is. And here you will be able to see the partner name, dealer name, and what purpose of the visit is also clearly mentioned. Collection, new dealer prospect, like. So this is how you can see. I'm going back to home button. This is how you can see your team members scheduled visits, whatever they have put. And if you want to see any particular previous day or future day, then you can click here in the visits. What I mean to say, if you want to see what are the visits scheduled for Monday, so you click here in the visits. In the calendar, you can change the date. Monday, if I want to see Monday, you can click Monday and click here in the dealer. Go to the right side dot, and you can see any particular user, or you want to see all or yourself. So I have selected all, I have clicked apply. So 0 dealer visits for Monday. What it means, the entire team is not yet scheduled, not even a single visits. So the similar way, you can see project all 0. Project architect all 0. So department user all 0. So what it's showing, Monday, not even a single person has scheduled their visits. Here, while schedule, you can schedule for any day. Here I'm going to schedule dealer. For example, one dealer I would like to visit on Monday. So I can schedule today itself. Okay. I just have to select. I can schedule for future any day. Even I can plan my visits on first of the month for whole entire month. Later on I can reschedule. If I want to reschedule it, if I want to cancel it, I can cancel it, I can reschedule it. So 20th morning 10, I wanted to visit. This dealer location is not yet updated. So I have selected the location. So I schedule. So like that, the entire team members has to schedule their visits for next 1 week, next 1 month, whatever day they would like. So you have to inform the team members to schedule their visit, plan their visits, or you give them plan. Let them schedule. You have to see this. See now, and see here on 20th dealer visit. This Asista, which is showing primary sales, I have scheduled. So you have to see these data and ask your team member why they have not scheduled any visits for Monday. Today is Saturday. They can sit and they can think, they can go through what are the dealers. Outstanding is more than 90 days, 60 days. They have not yet visited, not even a single time in the month. So they have to plan. If there are some hot leads as per OBL Executive app, where they can see the hot leads as separate menu, they can think, they can plan, okay, these are the hot leads which I have not visited. So he has to schedule those projects. Here in the OBL executive, we have given hot leads and own and unbilled. So they can go through this data and they can schedule these project leads. See these many hot leads which is available. So, but am I visited this all hot leads in this month? No. So I can schedule these projects in upcoming days visit plan. So these are the own and unbilled data. What it means, I have won this project, but here see unbilled quantity 1400, 1500 square meter, which is still pending. So these are the projects I can plan, I can visit. So I'll come back, I'll go to schedule, click on the project visits, and I can search that particular hot leads or unbilled projects which is still I have not visited. So I can search, then I can search that particular project. I can schedule for Tuesday. Okay, Monday my day is full. So Tuesday I can schedule. So this is the important data where you can see related to schedule the meeting in advance. So even today we see it's already 10 o'clock, but even I think less than 20 percentage of the users they have scheduled for their day visits. How about remaining 80 percentage of the users? You don't have any idea, you have not scheduled for the day till 10 o'clock, then what kind of work, what kind of the target visits we are going to target? So this is the main data where you will get related to schedule or meeting related data. And if suppose if I am there nearby any dealer, so I can also click here. If I don't want to waste my time, is there any near architect dealer, any customer which is mapped with me? Okay, I want to see is there any dealer irrespective of mapped with me or it is mapped with any other my team member. Okay, you can click here nearby, go to this three dot, select all. So it will give you all your team members. Is there any mapping is done nearby this location? So it will show here. Here, as of now, I don't have any data. Why? Because all the users which is mapped with me is not in the NCR region. So that's why it is not showing. When you click and go to here and select all, you will get the list of nearby customer. It may be dealer, it may be project, it may be architect, it may be department. If your team members are already updated the location of the customer, then it will show here. So you can plan those. So it will help you to save your time and your travel distance. So this way you can visit the nearby customer, nearby project, nearby department. So prior to that, please ask your team members to update the location whenever they are on the site, whenever they are on the dealer location, whenever they are on the architect place, whenever they are on the department. So how they have to do? They have to go to here. I'll also tell you the type of customer. So I want to see all my dealer. Okay, these are the only three dealer which is mapped with
The
me. All
screen got hanged. Screen is hanged.
is my screen is viewable now, or can I still it is in the same?
Now okay. Now okay.
Okay, maybe possible your internet little slow, so that's why the loading is taking time. So what I'll do, I stop my video because that will also consume bandwidth. So I have stopped my video. So hope my screen is viewable now. Because
Yes, sir. Visible.
okay, so here only three new prospect dealer which I have. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all from the top, and I'm going to see what kind of, because I'm maybe a branch manager, so the dealers are mapped with me are only three or zero. So when I want to visit, when I want to see all my teammates dealer list or project anything, I have to click here in the right side three dot and select particular employee or all. Even if I want to see one particular employee, okay, what kind of dealer he has, so I have selected this guy. So here I'll get how many dealers are mapped. Okay, so when I click on the dealers, I'll get to know what kind of dealer. See, this is OBL active dealer, means these are the OBL active dealer who's doing business with us. This is OBL inactive dealer. What it means, once upon a time they have done a projects or they have done a business with us, but currently they are not doing any business. And these are the new prospect dealer which is created by the employee, or there are some leads which is provided by tile card team where they got some inquiry, they qualified, they have done some multiple verification, and after that they qualified those new prospect, and they share it with us. As per employee we have mapped from the back end. So this is very important, dealer to whom we have to visit and get them on board and start business with them. Number one. So how you can do? You can click here in this new prospect dealer. You will get to know only those dealer list. And also these are the OBL inactive dealer where you can click and you will get the list where you can think, okay, out of 57 there may be good dealer who's doing big business with other brands but not doing business with us. So you can schedule, you can visit, and you can try to make them again on board with Oriental and start billing. So first one I'm going to do new prospect dealer. So when I click new prospect dealer, here I'll get all the new prospect dealer which is filtered. So you can easily you will be able to see, okay, these are the new prospect dealer which when you visited that also you will get to know. See, this new prospect dealer whether you have visited or not. See, all are I think created by the sales guy. He thinks these are the new prospect dealer he is visiting. and he would like. So you can go through and you can ask that particular employee, hey, what is the status? Is this a new prospect dealer which you created? When are you planning to onboard them? Is there any support you require? Would you like to, me to visit along with you to convince them and start business? So you can ask like that. Same way, you can also click on this OBL inactive dealer. You will get to know what are the dealers. Once upon a time, they have done business with us, but now they are not doing any business. So this list also you will get. Similar way, if you want to see the active dealer, is it the data is correct? Is the dealers are doing business with us or not? You can also go through and you can ask the employee if some of the dealers are not doing business with us, but still it is showing us active dealer. So you can go to this, ask him to edit in case if there is a legal issue, if they are not doing business with us, he can change the category from here OBL active to OBL inactive. The same way, if OBL inactive, if we have changed this progress. So if the employee thinks, no, no, this dealer is doing business with us, it is an active dealer, but as per the list it is showing inactive. He can also change from inactive to active. And similar way, if there is a new prospect dealer which is already started
टीचर
business.
इसको फिर से रिपीट करेंगे प्लीज मैं कुछ
Okay, okay. I'll. First, I am going to dealer from the dashboard. The dealer is who? The dealer is particular employee dealer. I have selected the Jahan and apply. So I'm able to see what is Jahan's dashboard now. Jahan is having only one department, 20 architects, 100 dealers, 171 projects under his OBL Lakshya data. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this dealer. When I click dealer, this 100 becomes three category. 18 are new prospect, 25 are OBL active, and 57 are inactive. So I am very happy to see, or I am very worried to see 57 inactive dealers. So some of the dealer I would like to onboard again. So I can see the list from here. Okay. So these many dealers are not doing business with us. So I know some of them are doing very good business and big business to other competitor. So I would like to again go and talk to them and convince them and bring back. So you can see and you can schedule. Number one, you think this Vinayaka ceramics, what for example, they are not inactive dealer, they are active dealers. So what you can do or your team can do, click on the dealer on the right side three dot, which will help them to edit their profile, which include the location also. If I am in Vinayaka ceramics, one thing I can go edit and click here and capture my current location, which will capture. While capture also, you have to click 2 to 3 times on the screen here, so that it will accurate, it will bring the exactly accurate you know location. Then you click on the select your current location, so it will capture that location. Number one.
Actually,
And
I
you,
just tried real
okay,
time. I'm not able to find out that inactive, active, you know, that option. Can you check live now?
I'm on the live app.
Yeah, Ashok, you can go to Ashok.
Okay, 1 minute. Here he can change from inactive to active.
It's not
And
coming.
1 minute, 1 minute. Just let me complete this one. I'll come back. So you can change and you can click on submit. So you will get the data changed from inactive to active. I am just going back. Which screen you would like to?
Same way.
ये
Uh,
हमारे एक्टिव डीलर में
you can.
चला जाएगा ना ये?
When you change from inactive to active, when you submit, it will change. Then it will move to active dealer.
जी सर, ये शो ही नहीं कर रहा है एक्टिव और इनएक्टिव वहां पे एडिट में चेंज करने का।
Okay, 1 minute. See here, I'm going now again. See here, 100 dealers. Okay, out of 100, I have clicked. 57 are inactive. I clicked here. I'm just taking this Vinaya only so that I'll be able to, showcase it to you.
Can you take Ashok? Because I just went to Ashok. It's not happening there. It's better you
No,
can
no.
show on that.
Ashok is what? Ashok is what?
Ashok is a FLS of mine.
One
Ashok
minute.
Kumar.
Am I having
I can tell you the CP name.
No, no, no. 1 minute. See, I have mapping for some of the territory. So I think these territories are Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore. I
You
think
don't have
that
Jharkhand in you. You don't have Jharkhand in you. Ranchi.
I have to map. I have to map from backend and then I have to sign out and sign in. Then I'll get. So I'm
Okay.
showcasing just for an example. Okay,
Okay.
this is the way where you have to. So I have taken Jahan as my FLS, where I'm seeing this inactive dealer. I'll showcase it to you. You can check yourself. If it is not, I'll map your Jharkhand location and I'll showcase you one to one. Okay. So I have taken this Vinayaka as, for example, when I click, I got this Vinayaka information. I want to change even phone number, anything I want to change, I can do it. So I click on this edit button. Okay, right side three dot and edit, where I can change this, his email ID, okay, his phone number, his location I can update. Even I can update his so when I select the location, current location, when I am in Vinayaka, I can select current location, or else I know exact Vinayaka's location. I can also search from the Google. What I mean to say, for example, if Vinayaka is very next building to Orient Bell Nangalraya office, so I know this location, so I can select this location. Okay, so Vinayaka is next building to Orient Bell, but Orient Bell is a famous location, so I can search from Google. I can update. So next time when I been to Vinayaka, when you are trying to, do check-in, if showing you are not in the location, then go to this dealer, edit, and select the current location so that it will capture that current location. One, see here, I am changing from inactive to active. Okay, I up, I have update. So now I am going back. Okay, same. See here, inactive become
इनएक्टिव
57 to 56, and this OBL active is 25 to 26, and I'm clicking active dealer, where I'll be able to see this Vinayaka Ceramics as active dealer. Clear?
जी सर, हमारे मैं अपने में चेक कर रहा हूँ, वहां पे वो जो इनएक्टिव को एक्टिव करने का ऑप्शन है वो आ ही नहीं रहा है।
सर प्रोग्रेस प्रोग्रेस को हाइड किया हुआ है सर हमारे में से।
हाँ, प्रोग्रेस आ ही नहीं रहा है हमारे।
Okay. Okay. You are okay. This was the reason which was asked us to hide this, because what happened, I'll tell you. There are many data mismatch which we found. Then later on, we came to know that this, for example, dealer type. This also initially what happened, they've changed from OBL dealer to ERP dealer. Like there are two more options. So now it is totally disabled for everyone, even for myself. So the progress also, which we found, the new prospect dealer, they have changed to OBL dealer, which is not actually. So that's why it is hidden. I'll check with Amit Goelji. Then if really this has to be given, we'll give you that edit option. Are you able to change? Are you able to update the address? Are you able to update the mobile number, email
Yes,
ID?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this really OBL inactive. You just go through first active or inactive dealers. Is there any major difference in the data differentiation which we updated as per Amit Goyalji? We took whoever done a business with us in last 9 months or 12 months, we consider them as an active dealer. If the dealer has not done any billing beyond 360 days, we consider them as an inactive dealer. Why we made it inactive? It will help you and your team members to concentrate on OBL dealers, active dealers first, and also get the information who are inactive dealer, so that you can go through again. You can rethink out of this 56, maybe possible 10 dealers who's doing a good business with our competitor. Why don't you revisit and convince them, bring back to OBL? So to show this separate data, we have segregated. If is there any data mismatch, please feel free to let us know. Number one. Okay. The same way, you can also check this new prospect data, which is very important. Maybe some of the dealers, your sales employee is created, and some of the dealer list, which you get it through tile cart. So tile cart, very important. So because the customer themselves, they inquired, so they are keen to do business with us. So it's very easy to convince them. Please schedule your visit along with your FLS. Make them on board as soon as possible so that your sale target easily you can achieve after convince them and start billing them. So this is the first screen which I have shown. In the menu, you also have a reports. Currently, what is happening? Due to some, the system profiling, so you are getting addition to your team members. So which will get corrected in 3 4 days. So that after that you will get only your team members data. Currently, you are getting additional users data also. Due to that, it is taking more time to load. What I mean to say, for example, if I have only 10 20 people, but here it is loading the pan India data. So that's why it's taking time. This issue will get resolved
Sir,
in
sir, screen is not audible.
because is my screen is
So screen is
viewable.
visible. Yeah, I can see that the page which is coming right now is dealer. How many dealers are there? Prospect dealers, active and inactive dealers. Right, this we are getting the screen.
Okay, I am disconnected.
I
I
think
am
it's
just
taking some time to load it.
no. I have disconnected and I am connecting it again. Just please let me know is screen is viewable now or not.
Yes, visible, sir.
Which screen I'm into?
Inside.
Insights means in my reports page.
Yeah, my
My
reports.
reports, my reports, my reports.
Okay. So what I did, I go to menu, I have clicked on the reports, and then I have selected the monthly report, which is loading, and it is taking a lot of time to showcase. Why? Because it is capturing the pan India data and showcasing it to me. Uh, we are working on it. Maximum by Tuesday, Wednesday, the filter will start working where you will get only your team members data, and this report loading time also will reduce lot. So in the meanwhile, you have to spare some extra time to load the report, and you can able to see the report. The reports is what? The reports will talk about your employee name. What is his average first check-in for the month? What I mean to say, till 18th, his average check-in time is this. First check-in. His last checkout average time is this. See, this 4 o'clock is his last checkout, means after 4 o'clock, I don't know what he's doing. And this is his location. And the similar way, I can click on this project where it will show how many number of projects he has visited and how many unique number of projects he has visited till today. This is the monthly data where you will be able to see. When I click on the dealer, I'll get the same how many dealer he has visited till today, till 18th of January, how many unique he has visited. So from here you will be able to see the difference. See the difference 31, 6, 63, 17, 25. See, there are some employee, their average at least 22 till 18th, it is showing 22, 25. Some of the users are showing 3, 4, 5. Maybe possible they are and they are project team members, so dealer visit showing less and project visit shows more. But it should not be. It should be equally at least for a dealer. Okay, but when it comes project, so see here very less. 18 days, at least 10 should be. See here 1, 0, 4, 3, 3, 1. Why? So this is where you have to ask the sales employee, and you can ask why he is not visiting any project sites, though he has lot of hot leads, lot of owned but unbilled leads, which you can see in the OBL executive, and you can raise a voice. You can ask, hey, you have 10 hot leads, you have 10 won and but unbilled projects, but your project visit shows 0, 3, 1. Why don't you visit those project sites and get the business and do the billing? So here architects even worst. Most are 0, 1, 2, few are good, 10, 12, 20. Rest are all are 0. Similar way, you can also click on the department. If you want to export this report, there is a 3 dot which you can click. You can export into Excel and you can see as per your convenience. Okay. And we are also working on this click instead of export. We are also planning to email. Click and send to email so that you will get an email. Number one. And the next very good feature, which in the main, hope my screen is viewable now.
Yes.
Okay, here in the attendance, okay, this is the another good feature as a manager where you can click attendance. Here you will be able to see yourself from morning to till now. What time I have logged in, I have logged out, what is the location, again I have logged in, logged out, again I have login 9:47 from this location. This is one. When you click here in the map, you will also get the entire map from where I have started, where I visited, because I'm sitting in the same location, so it is showing all the activities in the same location. When I am zooming in, so I'm getting all the data, like what are the schedule which I have done, login time, 3 times I have login. Okay, so this is a visit which I have
डेढ़ दो
planned.
प्लेट
Okay,
सुना
so
आलम
this, sir, please put yourself on mute. I don't know who's, because please check, yeah. So when I zoom, I'll able to click on this yellow. I'll get the data. What is what I did? What is the schedule which I have scheduled? So all the information which will be available. Suppose if in case if I have traveled, I have done 2 3 check-in, check-out, it will show us a map where I've started the next visit. Like it's an actual route which will show in the like Google Map when we are trying to put any location. So that way it will show. So this you can also see as activity, and when you click on this toggle to map, it will show as map view. The same way you can see your team members. When you click on this team, you will get to know your teammates activity. It is loading. It will show how many of your team members already logged in, how many of, see here, active, inactive, and logged out. See here, out of 29, 21 are active. There are 8 users still not yet even start for the day. What I mean to say, they have not logged in into the app itself. Think about them. So first I'm clicking on this active, okay, which shows Ajit Kumar Naik, what time he has logged in. This guy Sitaraman. So everyone, it will show here what time they have logged in. So from here you will be able to see your teammates login time. Further, if you want to see what they are doing, you can click in this arrow mark. So it will also give them clear idea their activities. If they have done multiple check-in checkouts, it will show how many check-in checkout they have done. The same way, when you click here in the map, it will also show where is he. See here, all the teammates, JP, because I am sitting in Delhi. My other team members are mapped in South, so it is showing. If I want to see Jahan, I've clicked. Jahan has done 923. When I click, it will show his activities. Since he was not done any check-in, check-out at the moment, it is showing the single location. If he has done a multiple check-in, then it will show as a map for where he start, next one, third one, like. Here it's a summary. When you click here in the summary, it will show if he has done any check-in, check-out, it will show this time, so and so location, and done check-in, check-out. Like the entire history summary will show and how many kilometers he has traveled. So you will get to know each and every piece of information about your teammates using this attendance, team, and map. It is not only for the day, even you can see the older days. See here in the calendar, right side, you will be able to see any day you want to see your teammates working, their summary, or yourself, where you've been. So everything you can see using this attendance calendar, you will be able to see. Clear? Please use these functions. If you have any issue, feel free to reach out to me or Dilpreet to get support from our side. That's it from my side on OBL Lakshya. If any query or anything you would like to ask, you can ask. Prior to that, I'll show you one OBL Executive, the updated main menu, which you have to again look into it. So I've gone to this main menu where we have a schemes, which you can see what are the scheme, where are they, your your dealer. Selecting the dealer also, you will be able to see where are they. Okay, this will help you to get where they have reached. Second one, the PLI, where you it will come soon. This is we are working on it. The tile card, anyway you are working on it. Hot leads and own and unbilled also, you have to daily look into it. You have to ask your teammates. The teammates can click here and update. What I mean to say, if it is a hot lead, tiling date is so and so. If the tiling date is changed, then from using this OBL executive itself, we can change the date
Sir, we
instead of
can see only attendance screen here. We are not able to.
JT, your screen is hanged.
1 minute, sir. Why
The
I'm getting
screen gets hanged. Last time also it got hanged.
1 minute, I have rescheduled. I think I'm having bad network. Is my screen is viewable now?
Yeah. Can you
Okay.
repeat that?
I'm going
Yeah,
to.
yeah,
Yeah,
please. Unbuild one,
I
the unbuild one. How to check the unbuild one and all.
yeah, I'm going to. Hope my screen is viewable now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
Yes, sir. It is.
I'm going to OBL executive. Okay,
Net is slow. It's not showing.
is my OBL executive app screen is showing now?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Now it's started.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, go to main menu. Okay, on the right side bottom. One, the scheme which already it is there, where you can see what is the dealer, what is the scheme, where are they reached. If there are three target, so first two target is done, the third target they are nearby. So you have to take extra effort and visit the dealer and make them achieve this scheme, which will help you to do more business. Number one. I don't know how many of you are, utilizing the screen. So we have enabled the analytical part now. So which will give a data to us that who is utilizing the screen, who is not utilizing the screen. These reports will go to you as well as to the management very soon, because earlier we don't have any tracking. Now the screen analytic facility is enabled now. Now again the tile cart which anyway daily you are using, so I'm not touching it. So there are hot leads and own and unbuild. These are the two new features which we introduced. I don't know how many of you are utilizing it. If you are not, you can use now. Click here on the hot leads. Okay, here, as of now, it is available only for the FLS. Soon, I think next week or first week of February, we are going to showcase this with the filter and all options, journal ad manager and everything. I'll show the screen sample screen which we have worked on. So ask your teammates FLS to update if in case the tiling date has changed, because it is showing based on as on today the 13th February is the tiling date. That's why it's showing hot leads. In case if you wanted to change, the tiling date has changed to March, April. Instead of logging into PMT and update, he can click on the link. From here itself he can change the date, tiling date. Okay, I can change to March. Like this, you can okay, update the link, update it, it will get update. Number one. And own but unbilled. What it means, these are the projects already owned, but still there are remaining quantity which is, so here also it will show when was the date and what is the unbilled quantity. Here also you can, okay, you can click and update. You can see this unbilled quantity how much.
ज्योति सर, अमित महाजन दिस साइड, एक क्वेश्चन था मेरा, जो ये वॉन एंड अनबिल्ड आ रही है ना, इस पे तो मेरा ब्लैंक आ रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, since you are a branch head, you are not getting. So your
Okay.
teammates they get the data. We very soon you will get. We are working on it. Because do you have those screens which we have developed? We are going to develop and which is finalized by CEO.
What
If you
what my
have,
request is, whenever there is any development, I request you keep a session like this, so that we will also able to know that the updation is done, and we'll be able to access such a certain
sure,
data
sir.
which is not. Yeah.
No, sure, sure. Actually, initially, what happened, we've been depending on the PMT tool. Always, it is very difficult for employee to go to PMT, log in, update. So we started providing this PMT hot leads and but on and unbill. As of now, it is available for FLS, and we are working on the next version where, as a branch manager, as a zonal head, zonal managers, you can have a filter. You can see particular employee, particular branch heads, how many are there. So these all filters we are working on it. And also we have we are working with PMT screen also. Here, the add PMT also help the user FLS to update his you know uh, PMT leads over here. These are the PMT leads which is lying as open state, where he can click here in the add PMT, where he can create his PMT leads using the app itself instead of logging into PMT. And if he want, he can click here and he can also update the PMT data which he wanted to, instead of going to this PMT tool and update. So
JTG
these are
Sundar.
the, yes sir.
See this tile cart leads. See the
Yes.
app gets always there's some issue in the app. See yesterday
Oh.
also we told there is we have mentioned in the group also. Please resolve. Again till today it is not been resolved, even the FLS and my this thing also.
Which
Because
group you have posted, sir?
IT group, our IT group. This is
Okay.
Damodar FLS. He
Sir,
has sent a screenshot. I have also sent
sir,
a screenshot.
what I'll do, I'll ask,
See,
I'm
end of
not
the day, they
sure.
are asking us. We are not updating. When we are not able to update in the app, so it has to be resolved from there, right?
Okay. So what this for
See,
your
now also morning before this session, I called 9 o'clock. I called Damodar. I checked. It is not working. Still, you are awaiting the response.
मेरा एरिया
okay.
में नहीं चल रहा है DCD. मैं भी कल
Sir,
चेक
I'll
किया.
sir, I'll ensure it will be
Because no,
addressed.
but why I'm telling is, please somebody tell to work on that. Because end
Sir,
of the
sir,
day, we are not able to answer.
sir, point noted, sir. I'll let you know. Actually, this tile card, there is some involvement from Abhimanyu side as well, because the data comes from their side. I'll ensure that the Abhimanyu is part of IT group, and for such kind of tile card related, we'll take it as a topmost priority, and we will respond to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, please.
JT sir, JT
One
sir.
more important point is there. Like I got a X territory. Okay,
Okay.
sometime I get a leads from Y territory also. So in
Oh,
that case, I should have a access to reassign that leads to the concerned territory head. For example, I am taking care of Ranchi territory, and I get a lead of Bokaro. Okay, what happened? I don't have access to reassign to the Bokaro person. What happened that that lead lies with me, and later the question is been raised that why the lead is not been resolved, or why haven't you spoken to the concerned person? There is no I cannot update some other territories lead, right? And since it is assigned to me and it lies on my name, and again a question is been raised that that lead is been not attended. So what should
so
I do in that
point
case?
Point noted. I'll just check how it is feasible. Or in such cases, I think you have to immediately report to Abhimanyu and Abba, who are, I think, Saurav Pandey as well, who are taking care of this tile card lead qualify and the backend updation which is happening in the CRM. So just immediately inform them to get it changed as of now, and we will also check in the app how it is feasible, how it is good to provide this provision. Then accordingly we'll work out and get back to you. But in the meanwhile, inform them immediately, boss, this is not blanks to me, this is blanks to so and so, please update in your database, so that they will get change immediately. It will fall on the other person who's actual responsible, to
Okay.
avoid on ownership on your head. So this is the immediate solution which I am saying. For a future, for a better, let me check, is this provision to be given? If the provision is given, it will be utilized better, or
So
it is going to.
only the option only the option of reassigning to the concerned branch
Sir,
head is more than enough.
this decision I cannot take alone, because it may be you misused. So I have to check the management and the concern. Is this provision to be given? If the provision to be given, we will work on and we will provide, sir.
Okay.
JT sir, Marcy this side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when we used to schedule visits now, there's no such option for new project sites. Like if we're roaming in the market, somehow is, like scouting or got through one new projects we entered, but we have to make the entry through either by architect or department. There is no such option in schedule.
Sir, I'll tell you.
And even for contractors, and then the report
Sir,
will come again, it will show architect visit. There's
Sir,
no-
sir, the management has decided to come up with one more option apart from this project dealer, architect, and department. As others, we are going to provide this option where you can create in others. Number one. Number two, see here, there are 171 projects which is lying in one person, one executive.
No, what about
And
new
we are,
project site? New project site, I'm asking.
let me
JT
let
sir,
me
JT
let
sir,
me
Vidyasagar this side. Adding to Maharishi question, I just want to have a basic idea. It is on the behalf of entire team. Suppose any department, any architect, or any new project is not listed in that particular FLS area, and suppose he is visiting to a new party, new architect, or new department, or a new project. Sorry, how he will mark his checking for the day? Because
sir,
this is the basic question. I think team is
sir,
not asking the right question, because
sir,
I think clarity of this thing is, I think,
sir,
very low in the area of FLS also, in the mind of FLS also, and branch head
Mr.
also.
Sagar,
sir,
Mr.
sir,
Sagar,
but
this will be addressed by Amit Goyal. JT is a person
sir,
who
sir,
will
sir,
just
I'll
say,
answer. I'll answer. I'll answer. Number one, number one, number one, you click here in the plus button where you get add option for dealer, add option for architect and department. It is already there. You can create new architect. You can
Agreed,
create.
sir. Agreed.
What
Agreed.
about what
I
about
agreed, sir.
new
I know this
contractors,
thing.
government
I
contractors
asked this
or
for
projects?
for the benefit of all. At least they should be aware of this thing, that
it is
adding
not a,
dealer.
no, JT, what they are asking specifically about the projects. So this project, right, has not been given, right? It has to be done with Amit Goyal and between you if they agree. What right has been given is given about the department can be added, architect can be added, or if we are going to a new dealer or something like that can be added. But the new project site cannot be added.
Or
Sir, that's why I said,
it will be added after FLS has done a PMT, branch head has
Yes.
approved
So,
that,
so that
and
is what Vidya जो तू पूछ रहा है ना वो जैसे डिपार्टमेंट या आर्किटेक्ट साथ के साथ you can add hand to hand, right? But project side will only be can be added जब उसकी PMT हो
अरे
जाएगी and then it will be done.
मेरे को अवेयरनेस है, आपको है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ मेरे साथ हमारे ब्रांच हेड भी हैं 50-60, उनको भी
sir,
होना चाहिए कि भी एक
Vidya
एक्चुअली
ji, Vidya ji, that's why I said we are coming up with a new option called others, where
और
first
जेटी
time
इसमें
you
एक
are
बात और भी
visiting.
करनी है इसमें एक और भी करनी है द वे वी आर सेइंग अबाउट द आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड डिपार्टमेंट्स we need to have a column for contractors also, right? There are many
Absolutely.
contractors which guys are visiting and they need to want to add simultaneously. So when you are doing for others, please make a column specially for contractors also.
Sir, can we keep the department and contractor in the same as a
So
department?
that we are okay with that, but you need to speak to them, to the management. If they are okay, we are okay.
ठीक है
Because
sir,
if the
I'll
reports come up, that should be reflect like person has visited contractors or projects separately. Now my
okay.
person is visiting projects, it's showing as architect, reports are coming. Then again, my boss will ask that why person is not visiting projects. The new projects they are doing, hunting is going on. That should be reflected in
and
reports.
moreover, sir, Jetty sir, what Harish boss is saying, adding project sites, the way we are adding a dealer or this one, what we say, department or builder, or any contractor, ये भी एक simultaneously उसी समय होना चाहिए, rather than
Sir,
you put a PMT over there,
sir,
then
sir, taken your point. Taken your point. I will discuss and will.
yesterday I talked with गुंजन विकास के साथ मेरा बात हुआ था। He was asking कि हम पीएमटी भी जब अप्रूव हो जाती है तो देन वी आर अपलोडिंग इट मैनुअली। अभी वो भी ऑटोमेटिक नहीं हुआ है कि भाई 5 घंटे में, 10 घंटे में, 12 घंटे में या 24 hours इट विल बी एडेड इन लक्ष्य और इट विल बी शोइंग इन लक्ष्य। इट इज अ मैनुअल प्रोसेस। So somehow the project thing has to be
Sir,
come up
sir,
with some solution, immediate
Nitya's
solution.
Nitya ji, we are working on it. I'll check with Amit Goyal. See, our management only concern was, see here, only one person has 171 projects already. Okay, see here, this many he has already, 89 are in open. How about this 89? Instead of visiting this 89, we are keep on just adding new project, new project, new project, which is was a 50,000 project which was added in effort plus, which was a junk data. Based after seeing those data, management has decided let them concentrate on this PMT lead, which created by the FLS himself, 171. Or we have already provided one of them.
JT sir, I just want to add one thing. When I
So,
joined
so
this
it is better
organization,
to clean up the data as well.
Yeah,
lots
that's
of
what I'm
things
saying.
signed, डिस्काउंट
So
लेने
what?
के लिए पीएमटी मार देता था। बहुत सारा डेटा यहाँ पे है जो मैं भी फाइंड आउट करके कंप्लेन किया था।
बट इसको अपडेट कर
सर
दिया ना।
जेटी सर जेटी सर
पॉइंट
जो ये
इज
बात
ये
जेटी सर
रखना जरूरी है। ये नया प्रोजेक्ट जरूरी है, काफी आ रहे हैं, अभी भी काम करना बहुत है। मेरे एरिया में मैं फाइंड
जेटी
आउट
सर
कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन रिपोर्ट्स नहीं आ रहे।
यस यस, ये होना भी चाहिए। और जो गलत है, अगर किसी का मैपिंग 181 जिसका दिखाता रहा, लेट्स क्लीन
सर
अप
ये
ऑल दोस
मल्टीपल
डेटा
है।
ना। मल्टीपल है,
सर ये
लेट्स क्लीन अप।
171 भी मल्टीपल है, आप चेक कीजिए,
अरे
ओपन कीजिए
उसमें भी
इसको।
अगर 171 मल्टीपल है तो व्हाट एफएलएस कैन डू, वो जाके वहां पे उसको लॉस्ट कर देगा। इफ इट इज नॉट एक्चुअल साइट, ही जस्ट डू वन थिंग, लॉस्ट करे, वहां से हट जाएगा।
बट और कुछ ऐसा भी केसेस है जो ओन करके एफएलएस, पुराना एफएलएस करके गया है ओन, उसको डिलीट भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन शो करता है।
सर एक काम कर लिए, हम इसको सारे डेटा, सारे एफएल ब्रांच हेड को सेपरेटली we'll mail it to you. You go through the project list, you give us a status, we will remove, we will delete those, and I'll discuss with Amit Goyal ji, then check with him. Instead of creating others, we will decide and give what is the contractor provision we'll give, and add project also we will give. The responsibility is yours. It should not be a junk data. You have to monitor, you have to keep clean those data. Ask the FLS to clean the data and update it on time to time. So
JT
we'll,
sir, good
and
morning.
we'll take a decision and provide this art project option. I don't
JT
have
sir,
any problem.
sorry to interrupt. Just tell me one thing. ये project timeline कितना है? मतलब how old the project site is listed here?
Here,
Yeah.
you ask Mr. Amit Goyal, he has given me some timeline. I think I don't remember, because do you remember what is the project timeline with which we have uploaded the data?
Sir, from 2024 Jan, we have uploaded all the projects. Those are from the last year. And before the last year, we have not uploaded because it's already 1 year. Data is there in the system. If you think
So
the data is not available for the last year and you are still visiting, you can provide